Lot number 539 is a 2011 Ford F-250 XL. This one has a 6.2 liter V8 with 110,000 miles. The motor sounds good. The battery is smoking. It smells like sulfur. Well, that battery is bad. I jump started it and started up, but it's bad and it's smoking. The motor sounds good. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages and the AC blows ice cold. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear it. The motor sounds good. There are the miles. 110,000 miles. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. This is a public works vehicle. It's a 2011 work truck, so it will show some wear. Passenger side fender and bumper are dented and scratched. Shows a little surface rust. The tires look good. It's got the 4 matching steel wheels. A lot of little door dings on the passenger side. The utility bed has rust in the rear cabinets. The floor here is rotted out completely. The other 2 cabinets appear to be solid. That one's good. Can't really tell about the floor. The floor looks solid. It's got a heavy duty tow hitch. This side is also rusty, but not as bad as the other side. It is rusty. Cabinet looks good. Driver's side looks good. Minor little scratches. Interior, rubber floor mat is torn. Driver's seat is torn. Multiple spots. Center console armrest looks good. Passenger seat looks good. Dashboard is not cracked. Steering wheel is worn. It's got 110,000 miles. And that's it. I'm going to turn it off. It smells really strong. This truck will need a battery. Battery is dead. And I did jump start it, but it's smoking. It's lot number 539. It's a 2011 F-250 XL with a 6.2 liter, 110,000 miles. Good luck.